Houseplants are very popular, and we may think that because plants are grown indoors that they're completely protected from insects and disease, but they are not. And sometimes you may find icky looking stuff growing on your plants. Now here we have a Schefflera. This is a great indoor plant. It has scale actually growing on it. You see all these little dots on the leaves? This is an insect. And so as a small insect, it can move around, but as an adult, it actually attaches itself to the plant, sucks out the nutrients from the plant with its mouth parts, and causes discoloration. It produces a honeydew that is very sticky, like you can see here. You can even hear it. So that's the excrement of the insect. And then what likes to grow on top of this honeydew is a black sooty mold. So you'll see it transform from these scales into this dark black yucky looking stuff. Now this is a fungal disease here. This is called black sooty mold. And the way that we want to control this, and it's not anything to be too concerned about, we want to make sure that we control the insects, right? So they're the initial cause of the problem. And you can do that with organic items such as horticultural oil, and that'll kind of smother the insects. You can use a neem oil, or you can use soapy water with some dish detergent and water, and then that's great. You can cover the leaves, wipe these off, and it will also remove the black sooty mold. That's how we're going to get rid of it. You could also use a copper fungicide to get rid of the black sooty mold, and that's another organic option. So be aware, stay on top of it, nothing to be afraid of. Use that soapy water, get rid of the insect, and get rid of the mold. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.